So this is the Skydroid 5.8 OTG receiver, and what it does is it basically captures the feed that my goggles sees. I can feed that into my laptop. Same exact thing in my goggles, being picked up by my laptop. And now I can record everything I see on this tiny FPV drone. Check it out. This is so cool. Look, this is what you see. This is what the drone sees. That's what the camera sees, and they're looking at each other. Wow. I'm losing battery already. This is really cool, honestly. I'm fresh off of normal mode, and I'm practicing sport mode. I'm pretty good at it, but I cannot do manual, and that is my goal today, to start getting to know how to fly manual. And this is a tiny drone, so it's gonna be hard to control. We now have reinforcements coming in. Check it out. Finally, reinforcements. I've been struggling out here for far too long. The rain stopped and this man has now been summoned. Yo, check it out. Check it out, dude. Nice. You need an app for that? It's just OBS. OBS? Reinforcement has arrived. Yes, tweezers. All this grass out of here. It's still getting pretty. Let's just go in here and do a flip real quick. Bro, I still can't do it. I still can't even fly manual. You'll get it down soon. Whoa! Straight on! I look down better. Bro, my plan is to destroy this. You know, I understood why people have that. Look at my nose! Ah! Oh, you made it through the triangle. I think that's it for today, guys. We're going home. Bye!